I'm Ryan Duty, a senior at Miami University. We were recruited by the Wilds to create a robot that would hold an X-ray plate that X-rays giraffes' legs. I was in charge of the rotation and the extension arm. The design mostly focused around the motor and gearbox that we got from Maker Motor. I contacted their mechanical engineer, and for the torque that we needed and the speed that we needed for wireless achievement, this was one of our only options. It's a 5 RPM, 65 foot-pound torque motor. That didn't quite give us what we wanted, so we decided to use a mechanical ratio. It involved a 16-tooth, 5/8 bore drive sprocket that came off the motor. Went to a driven sprocket of 48 teeth, and it was driven by a 40 chain. The next step in the design was finding bearings that would be able to mount to the lift plate. Zanesville Bearing helped me out with that. We used a 2-bolt flange on top and a 4-bolt flange on bottom with a diagonal configuration. It helps support this shaft in the arm. The shaft machining was done next. It's a 12-inch long, 3/4 inch stainless steel shaft with a 5/16 keyway for the driven sprocket. The shaft is welded on top and bottom, lap welds, to the extension arm. The extension arm mounts the actuator. The actuator is also controlled wirelessly, which extends our plate. And the final step in the design was designing a piece that would attach the actuator to the plate. So we decided on a 5/8 split collar, welded a key stock with a C-clamp that holds the plate. We also made another configuration, which can be seen here, for actually vertical facing of the plate. Now we're going to get a demonstration of the rotation and the extension. And as you can see, it's a latching circuit. Have the rotation there. And then we have the extension of the plate there. And for the actuator, there's a 300 Newton force, push and pull. And both of our controllers are the new TUA technology, which is a non-interference based RF. I'd like to give a big shout out to all the help I got from my group, Lava House Media Group, Zanesville Bearing, and Maker Motor. Without them, none of this would have been possible. And feeling accomplished right now.